the last class, we have learnt how to rationalize the numerators and denominators. So let us recall once again about rationalization. What is rationalization? Making irrational numbers as rationals. Making irrational as rationals is called rationalization. The process of making a irrational as rational is called rationalization. You know about conjugate sorts also. What are conjugate sorts? So conjugate sorts means if the sum of the two sorts or the product of the sorts is rational number, then they are called conjugate sorts. The conjugate of a plus root b is a minus root b. The conjugate of a minus root b is a plus root b. So in the last class we learned how to rationalize numerators and denominators. So let us see in this class we will see some problems on the rationalization and how to simplify them. Now find first question. Find the value of square root of 10 minus square root of 15 by 2 root 2 up to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. Take root 2 equal to 1.414 and root 5 equal to 2.236. So let us simplify this. The given expression is what? Root 10 minus root 15 by 2 root 2. Solution given root 10 minus root 15 by 2 root 2. Now rationalize the denominator. In the denominator, what is the irrational number? 2 root 2. The RF of root 2 is what? Root 2 only. You have to multiply both numerator and denominator with root 2. Multiplying numerator and denominator with RF. Multiplying numerator and denominator with RF of denominator. That is, what is denominator? 2 root 2. The RF of root 2 is what? Root 2. Now, root 10 minus root 15 by 2 root 2. You have to multiply numerator with RF, denominator also multiply with RF, like this. Now, this root 2 into root 10 minus root 15 by 2 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2. Here, root 2 to root 10 minus root 15 by 2. Root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2, root 4. Root 4 means 2. So like this. So root 2 into root 10 minus root 15 by 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. So denominator is rationalized now. Now here multiply root 2 into root 10, root a into root 10, root 2 into root 10, root 20 minus root 2 into root 15, root 30 by 4. So this can be written as 4 5 are 20 minus 15 to the 30, 2 into 2 by the 10 into 2. by 4. Now square root of 4 is 2. 2 root 5 minus this is root 2. Root ABC root 2 into root 5 into root 3 by 4. 2 into root 5 value substitute. Root 5 value how much given? 2.236 minus root 2 into root 5 into root 3. Root 2 value substitute 1.414. Root 5 value 2.236. Root 3 value 1.732 by 4. So you have to find out the product of this minus product of this. This minus this and divided by 4. So just you proceed, go ahead and simplify it till you get answer. This is only simplification. Last problem, last stage, the last step you have to simplify it. 2 into root 5. Root 5 value is 2.236 minus root 2 value substitute. Root 2 value is 1.414 and root 5 value already given. Root 5 value is how much? 2.236 into root 3, you know that 1.732. So 2 into 2.236, write down answer. This answer write down here. Here in this box write down. Next minus the product of these three write down in this box. Write answer by 4. So this answer minus this answer. The result you will get something. Result you will get the result divided by 4. The result divided by 4, that should be done up to 3 decimal places. That is the answer. I hope you understand the problem, children. Next we will go for one more problem. Second problem. I will erase this. I hope you all copied this. I go for next problem. Second. Find 64 to the power of 1 by 6. Second bit 243 1 to the power of 2 by 5. Third bit 46656 1 to the power of minus 1 by 6. How to? This is the exponential form. Simplify it. The first bit 64 1 to the power of 1 by 6. 64 factorize it. 64 factorize like this, children. So you know 5 factorize 2 3 ja 2 2 ja 2 16 ja 2 8 ja 2 4 ja 2 2 ja. So 64 means 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 to the power of 6 all to the power of 1 by 6. A to the power of m ln, a to the power of m ln, a to the power of mn. 6 into 1 by 6. Numerator 6, denominator 6 cancel. The answer is 2. When you simplify 64 to the power of 1 by 6, we got the answer 2. Similarly, second bit also you can do it. Second bit is 243 1 to the power of 2 by 5. 243 prime factorize it. So 381 ja 327 ja 3 9 ja 3 3 ja. So 243 means 3 to the power of 5 1 to the power of 2 by 5. 5 1 5 cancel. So 3 square. 3 square means 9. Similarly, third bit also you can simplify. Same order. So you factorize this 4 double 6 5 6 with 6 factorize 6 7 ja 42. Remainder 46 6 7 ja 42 45 6 7 ja 42 6 6 ja. Again the 6 table 6 1 ja 6 17 6 2 ja 12 57 6 9 ja 54 6 6 ja. again 6, 6 to the 12, 6 1 ja, 6 6 ja, again with 6, 6 3 18, 6 6 ja, 6 6 ja. So 4 to the 4000, 46,656 4 to the power of minus 1 by 6 value we have to find out. 46,656 means 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 to the power of 6, 4 to the power of minus 1 by 6, 6 numerator, 6 denominator, cancel. So 6 to the power of minus 1, 6 to the power of minus 1 means to make the power positive you carry to the denominator. 6 to the power of minus 1 means 1 by 6. This is the answer. 6 power minus 1 means 1 by 6. These are the problems. So the last exercise we will be having the problems. You can do same model problems. Refer the textbook, last exercise of the real numbers and do the problems. And one more problem I will explain. Third one. Simplify. This is the most important model. Simplify. 4th root 81 minus 8 cube root 343 plus 15 fifth root 32 plus square root of 225. So this all given the radical form, you change into exponential notation. So 81 fourth root 81 factorize. When you factorize 81 3 table, you get 3 to the power of 4 means 81 minus 8 cube root of 343 means 7 cube, 7 into 7 into 7, 7 7 is 49, 49 7 is 343, 49 7 is 343 factorize like this. 7 7 is 343 factorize 343 like this. Show you 300 7 4 is 28 7 9 is like this 7 7 like this. From factorize it with 7. So 343 means 7 cube plus 15 fifth root 32 means 2 to the power of 1 plus square root of 225. 225 can be written as 15 square 225. So this directly you can cancel 4th and nth root and 4. The nth root order and power is the same, you can get cancelled. How you get cancelled? You know that nth root a means what? A to the power of 1 by n. The radical power becomes the numerator, the order becomes the denominator. Nth root a means a to the power of 1 by n. Similarly, this is also 4th root 3 to the power of 4 means 3 to the power of 4 by 4 minus 7 to the power of 3 by 3 plus 15 2 to the power of 5 by 5 plus here nothing means what? 2. No order. Nothing means square means 2 here. So 15 to the power of 2 by 2. So 4 1 is 4, 3 1 is 3, 5 1 is 5, 4 1 is 2. So we got 3 minus 8 7 is 56, 15 2 is 30 plus 15. So 30 plus 15 45, 45 plus 3 48 minus 56, that equal to minus 8. So this is after simplification we got the answer minus 8. So I hope you understand the problem. Yes. So one more problem I will explain. The last problem. If AB are rational numbers, find the value of A and B. Find the value of A and B. Here children, you know how to rationalize. One, if A and B are rational numbers, find the value of A and B. First bit, if root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 equal to A plus B root 6. Second bit, first bit I will explain, second bit you write. The second bit is root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3, that equal to A minus B root 15. So I will explain this first bit. The same model you compute the second bit. Now first bit I will explain. So first bit is what? Root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. That equal to how much given? A plus B root 6. So what is the denominator here? Root 3 minus root 2. You have to rationalize the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator with its RF. Rationalizing means multiplying with numerator and denominator with RF. Rationalizing the denominator with its RF. That is the RF of root 3 minus denominator is what here? Root 3 minus root 2. So the RF of root 3 minus root 2 is what? Root 3 plus root 2. We are rationalizing the denominator with its RF. Whatever denominator is there, the denominator RF is what? Root 3 minus root 2. Why? The conjugate of root 3 minus root 2 is root 3 plus root 2. So root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 multiply numerator and denominator with RF. RF is what? Root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. Like this. Now numerator into numerator. Root 3 plus root 2. Root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2. That equal to what here? A plus B root 6. That equal to A plus B root 6. This is the form of A plus B into A plus B whole square. Root 3 plus root 2 whole square by A minus B into A plus B. Identity. A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. That equal to A plus B root 6. Expand the form of A plus B whole square. Root 3 square, A square. The square root will go. A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2 into root 3 into root 2 by root 3 square cancel 3. Square root and cancel 3 minus 2. That equal to A plus B root 6. So then I go here. Root 3 square means 3. Root 2 square means 2 plus 2 into root 6 by 3 minus 2 1. That equal to what? A plus B root 6. 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to A plus B root 6. Comparing the values on both sides. Comparing the values on both sides. BS both sides. Here A is equal to what is there? 5. A is equal to 5. So B is equal to root 6. B is equal to what is there? 2. B is equal to 2. So therefore A is equal to 5. B is equal to 2. So the same model you can do this second bit, children. In the last exercise of real numbers, such problems so many are there. You can try and solve them. Okay, children. I hope you all understand. Thank you.
I hope you all understood.